Today, Batman and Vampire Boots. Okay. So, open up the hammock. And stand in front of the hammock. Bring your hands behind. And roughly 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly sit down. Then extending your hammock. So make sure feet is covering like this. And also shoulders, so this must cover. Okay. And from inside, to curl up in the hammock like this. And engage your core, lifting your legs up first, then lifting your hips up. You can use a little bit of feet open up to sliding up, then you can easier. So this is Batman. Come here, sit your feet together to a little bit more. Engage your core and find balance. And from here, slowly bring your legs down like yoga, like shoulder stand plow pose. Then from here, straighten your legs back. Engage your core. So if you can straight line, then a little bit more core. Or slightly bring it down your hips. Then you can feel a little bit more shoulders. Good. Coming up, lifting your hips up again. Coming to like plow pose. Then release your legs down. You can stay here or you can